What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the Versa. Team found this car and my beat up 240. So what happened to the Versa?
Check engine light came on, bank one running too lean. So cleared the code. I already knew what was happening. The gasket from my aftermarket headers to the stock cat blew out, so swapping it out today. Kind of a bitch to get to.
Yep, it's tight. Back here somewhere.
Have to take off the hood and all the wipers, front cowl.
Alright, so he's gonna be working on this. And it's a tight spot to get to. And as for me, you know, I got a car full of car parts. And I got a lot of shit to do. But today I think I'm just gonna start on the taillights, because I gotta get it legal. Maybe check out my headlight, because that's not working. That's illegal. So it might just be a bulb, but these taillights are pretty jank, man. Like the previous owner just beat them up, so I don't know, maybe he was doing some wall taps or something. Yeah, right! So here's all the damages. We're gonna try and see if these Kouki taillights fit that I got.
Comment below, see if Maui should let me drift this car one day.
No. Alright, literally 2 minutes later. I wasn't expecting to be this drenched. Had to go fight one dog. Literally bleeding, cause back to it. So these are the new tails I picked up from Taka's Garage. Hit them up on Instagram. They got a lot of parts for us 240 guys. You gotta get in there.
That's the funny part. What? I can touch the ground from here.
I don't know about you, but I feel like the Kapahulu 7-Eleven needs to sponsor us already.
And Jamba Juice.
Always on that dollar menu budget, boys.
It's on dollar menu budget until you add one pack of cigarettes. It's like $15 after.
Could order a complete lunch.
So a cop just rode past. Just remembered a pretty good story about just the other night. I was cruising at Sandy's with somebody. 3 cops come pulling up behind me.
Right when they finished.
And he was like, "Oh, you guys doing anything illegal here and something you're not supposed to do?" I'm like, no. We're just kind of just chilling here. He's like, "Oh, what's that blue can behind you?" I'm like, "Oh, it's just iced tea." He's like, "Okay." He's like, "Oh, by the way, your safety and registration is expired." I was like, "Oh, no way." Hop outside. Go in the back. Say, "Oh, man, okay, I'll take care of that as soon as possible." He's like, "All right." I was like, "Okay, shoots, have a good day." Walking back into the car, I was like, this motherfucker didn't even notice all my fat ass banners and didn't say shit about it.
Nothing about recon and how low it is.
About how fucked up my fenders is in the back, how low it is.
He was probably watching you guys smash for the longest time and pulled up when you finished. So okay guys, you gotta go. You just gotta go. Alright, so I have to take out these little tabs. Gotta take out all of these. There's 4. It's an 8mm, I think. And while I'm doing that, boss man is working on his gasket still. Piping is really hot, so it's taking him a little while. He's gonna start up his car with it detached from what? The headers. Should leave it. The fuck? Dude, that sounds like a monster. It'd be pretty legit though. Yeah, just pull up to a car show or something like that, sounding like that. Good morning, neighbors. So after the 3 steps, downpipe is all too hot. Alright, new tail light on. Just got the old one off. Now I gotta do these. Now I have spare sets. How far did you get on that gasket?
I don't even know how I put these headers on.
How do you not know how you put the headers on?
I knew those two on the bottom was a bitch to get off, but what did I use to put them on so tight? That's my question. I can barely fit the crescent part of the wrench on there.
Oh, no shit.
I have no idea what I used for it.
Did you get it added underneath?
I probably did, but still, yeah, it's gonna be hard to
Fit anything else in there?
It's like right underneath the pipe.
So Micah suggested that we don't use these blue halogens. We use the regular LEDs that we had on before, the whites.
Guys, I pissed myself.
No, but really, did you pee yourself?
No, this is the one.
You fucking guy. Alright guys, I'm starting on the tails. Same thing, 8mm. Just using the bolts from this one as a reference to see which ones I pull off. Because this one has a lot more bolts, so I don't know, we'll see. He's got it out. After a year and a half.
It's this that was breaking.
Yeah, it's all fucked. One tail light. Do I have to scrape all that gunk off or what? Or should I leave it? Let it melt. Got the other tail light on, it's looking clean. In comparison to that crap, look at the difference. Bango. Jank tail light is out. Garbage. Look at this trash. Putting in a new one should be easy. Just line up these tabs into the holes. It should slide right in. Then you use these little hardwares, tighten them down. Alright, I can't close it all the way, but as you can see, it's all done. Nice and clean, baby. Alright, sun's getting way too hot. He got his gasket back on. All that's left is to tighten it.
Maybe should have done another run with the fucking...
Oh, with it off?
Yeah.
So he's got the new gasket in. Now you just gotta get into the tight space to tighten it.
And then the other one is gonna be the spring-loaded one.
Oh, nice.
It's another bitch.
And on top of that, it's under your low-ass car. Update. Checked on the headlight that's been out. It's loose and it keeps falling out. But it's working, it's on. Sound check. Holy shit. That sounds mental. Alright, so I just bought these new tail lights, assuming that would help me work, get the running lights working, but it's not. So it's probably a wire issue. I should have assumed that from the beginning because the wires are all shit, but I gotta figure that out later. Alright, we just made it back home from a side job. Quick little side job of headlights on a G35. Took us like 3 hours.
Pull this out so the spring doesn't have to compress as much, and I can just slide it in and then tighten it up from here.
We'll try. Alright, so these bolts that we're supposed to put on the headers, these parts usually come off, but it's frozen on and stuck. So you usually take it apart, take out the spring, slide it through, then put it on and tighten. But now we just gotta spring load entry that focus. So we're gonna take a stab at the running lights on this using this power reader. Figured out these two middle wires are my brake and blinkers. Those work, so it's the far left on this side. He recommends double checking that side. Could be the same, but you never know. It's this red and blue wire right here on the end. Micah says to check the fuse box after that, and if it's not the fuse that's blown out or whatever, It's gotta be the wire, which I hope it's not. Let's go check the fuse. Taking a look in here, looks like it's all corroded and full of crap. Yeah! Nothing a little stomping power can't fix.
And it cleans all the rust off too.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
You're supposed to put it in, tighten this, put this on, and tighten the nut.
But we're doing it ass backwards.
Oh, it just came off that way, so I thought, okay.
Fuck.
Alright, that's one. Now to the other one.
Now foot stomp the second.
Yeah, but it's all rounded out already.
Oh shit. Alright, I was wrong. Wrong fuse box. It's in here. I found this switch. It's on off right now. We couldn't figure out what it's for. Fuse box in here. The fuse is blown. I'm gonna pull it out of the air conditioner. Pretty sure the AC still works, so I don't use it. You just see that. So he's just got one last bolt to go. It won't come off. And all I need to do is find a fuse. Hopefully. I hope that's still the problem.
But we still gotta do this.
Got him working. Thanks to our friendly neighbor Spider-Man Paul. But he still gotta go to the shop for his bolt. Hey, but at least we can drive legally in this one now to go to the store.
Yeah, but I wanna get it done before the sun goes down.
True. Change of plans. Master mechanic got it. Thanks to our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. All his tools and fuses saved our lives and trips and gas. All the vlog's done. Goodbye. Boss man got it all tightened up. It's a little bit more tightening in some tight spaces. And we'll be home free. Nah, you gotta go work. Let's do a sound check with it back on. Oh, that's a big difference. You got smoke. What is that? Gasket?
Because there was stuff inside the gasket too, yeah. So just,
Dirt.
whatever crap.
Look at the tails. They look good. Got the other ones up for sale. 130 or best off. Woo! That was it for today. Quick one, easy one.
Easy?
Wasn't that easy.
It wasn't easy at all.
So we had to do my lights, figure that out, just a
That
fuse.
was easy.
And then we had to go do a side job for his friend and his headlights. That wasn't that easy. Came back to go finish dealing with his gasket. The gasket wasn't too bad.
It was just the bolts and shit afterwards. But, I mean, it's fixed. Sounds better now.
I can drive and I'm legal.
He is legal. I'm illegal. Josh is legal now.
Oh wow.
Other than that, there is the X-Runner cruise coming out. There's also another cruise, a Remembrance cruise. I don't know who's hosting it.
Germs.
Yeah.
Germs Remembrance Cruise. I forget which cruise is hosting.
Yeah, I forget who's hosting it. And then the Ladies Driven Day at Detail Garage.
Yep. Hit up Shawnee and Detail Garage Hawaii on Instagram for more information. All of you ladies can be showcased over there. We will not be making it because I have my son's second birthday.
I got plans, but you know, we really wanted to make it out to those events, film it. Besides that, next week, Sunday, there's going to be 2 cruises on the 22nd. One of them is Going Away Cruise. My old Corker's hosting it, but I don't know what team it is or what crew it is. And the second one is going to be United Car Culture.
Yep.
They're hosting a cruise.
It's usually a fat one.
Yep. So
we're gonna try and make to those.
We're trying to make it to both of them. I think the first one, they're actually gonna meet up with UCC later.
Yeah.
Which is probably a better plan for them.
It'll be a bigger combined car club cruise.
So just those 2 cruises coming up next week.
Got more parts coming in.
Yeah, more parts.
So more vlogs on your way. New members. Got a lot more vehicles that we gotta reveal to you guys, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be pretty sick. We're reaching out and getting all kinds of rides now.
Yep, besides that, I think that's it, right?
Yep. He's gotta go to work, so.
Yeah, I gotta go to work.
Shoot.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.
All of that, please.
Shoots.
Don't forget.